MEDRIX is a nonprofit organization that serves children and adults in Southeast Asia, specifically Vietnam. They focus on medical education. They sponsor heart surgeries for children and adults, and they help promote clean water use around the country.
Clean water development was one of the first things that people at MEDRIX began to work on. Over 9,000 children a day die of diarrhea and diarrhea-related diseases, and a huge percentage of the children live in Vietnam. So it became quickly apparent that in order to improve the health of people in Vietnam, we had to bring access to clean water. And so MEDRIX helped develop an ultraviolet water filtration system that has been put into clinics and schools to let people wash their hands and have clean water. It's developed over the years. MEDRIX is committed to providing systems, but also to helping those systems be self-sustaining and to grow with the need. Many years ago, MEDRIX started sponsoring children for heart surgeries. There are so many children that are born with heart defects. They become quickly unable to go to school, which means they can't get educated, they can't get jobs. Their quality of life diminishes rapidly. That by getting heart surgery, these children can have a good recovery and a good quality of life. Last year, people at MEDRIX decided to begin sponsoring adult men and women who needed heart surgery. Many of these people had lived for many years with these congenital heart defects, and their quality of life was very diminished. By sponsoring surgeries and allowing them to recover and become healthy, they're able to provide for the families and the people around them.
One of the huge focuses of MEDRIX is education. So by teaching nurses, by teaching small kids how to wash their hands, how to brush their teeth, how to properly dispose of garbage, mothers who are with child, how do they best take care of themselves?
They believe that by educating healthcare workers in Vietnam, that can carry out for years to come. And so they've done courses over the number of years, primarily focused on nursing education and trying to improve the care that nurses are able to give their patients.
By educating people, you also empower them, and then they can educate others. So education is a sustainable way to impact many, many lives. You might teach one, but you truly have no idea how far down that trickle-down effect can go. MEDRIX runs on a pretty tight budget, yet as a member of their advisory board, I get the honor of watching how and participating in how they use their budget.
I've been really impressed with the way that I have seen MEDRIX work in the country. They work on a very tiny staff and their reach is incredible. It's been amazing to me to see people throughout the country who know of MEDRIX, who respect them, who are asking them to help them to provide more classes or services. I have seen people at MEDRIX sit on dirt floors in huts and later that day be at huge dinners with dignitaries in Vietnam. And that's just a small example of the breadth of these people, that MEDRIX is working really responsibly with the monies that they have to have a far reach for thousands of people.
The number of lives that have been impacted by MEDRIX is phenomenal.